Homes Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we delve into the realm of outdoor living, specifically focusing on the creation and optimization of the summer outdoor kitchen. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. This extension of your home can significantly enhance your lifestyle and entertainment capabilities. We will address key considerations, from defining its purpose to selecting the ideal elements for a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. Let us begin by defining the summer outdoor kitchen. Essentially, it represents a dedicated culinary and social area located outside the primary dwelling. This space is designed to facilitate cooking, dining, and entertaining during warmer months. It extends the functionality of the interior kitchen, providing a seamless transition to outdoor living. Unlike a simple barbecue setup, a true outdoor kitchen incorporates essential appliances, work surfaces, and storage, mimicking the convenience of an indoor kitchen. It's about creating a comprehensive environment where meals can be prepared and enjoyed in the open air. This concept transcends mere functionality, it's about fostering an atmosphere of relaxation and conviviality. The summer outdoor kitchen is not merely a trend, but a thoughtful expansion of your living space. Now, let us examine the benefits of investing in a summer outdoor kitchen. Firstly, it significantly expands your entertaining capacity. Hosting gatherings becomes more enjoyable and efficient, as you can prepare and serve meals without constantly moving between indoor and outdoor spaces. Secondly, it enhances the value of your property. A well-designed outdoor kitchen is a desirable feature for potential buyers. Thirdly, it encourages a healthier lifestyle by promoting outdoor activities and alfresco dining. Fourthly, it minimizes indoor heat during summer cooking, keeping your home cooler. Fifthly, it provides a unique and engaging cooking experience, allowing you to enjoy the natural surroundings while preparing meals. Sixthly, it creates a focal point for family gatherings and social events. Seventhly, it reduces indoor cooking odors. Eighthly, it can be customized to suit your specific needs and preferences. Ninthly, it offers a versatile space that can be used for various activities, from casual barbecues to formal dinners. Tenthly, it allows you to maximize the use of your outdoor space, transforming it into a functional and inviting area. These advantages contribute to a more enjoyable and fulfilling lifestyle. How do I decorate my summer outdoor kitchen to look good? Moving on to the aesthetics of your summer outdoor kitchen, the key is to create a cohesive and inviting space that complements your home's overall design. Begin by selecting durable and weather-resistant materials for countertops, flooring, and cabinetry. Natural stone, stainless steel, and treated wood are excellent choices. Consider incorporating comfortable seating arrangements, such as built-in benches, lounge chairs, or a dining table with ample seating. Introduce ambient lighting with string lights, lanterns, or recessed lighting to create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Integrate greenery with potted plants, vertical gardens, or herb gardens to add a touch of nature. Select outdoor rugs and cushions in weather-resistant fabrics to enhance comfort and visual appeal. Incorporate decorative elements that reflect your personal style, such as artwork, sculptures, or water features. Ensure that the layout is functional and efficient, with a clear flow between cooking, dining, and seating areas. Consider a pergola or awning for shade and protection from the elements. Pay attention to the details, such as hardware, fixtures, and accessories, to create a polished and refined look. A well-decorated outdoor kitchen should be an extension of your interior design, reflecting a sense of harmony and balance. What is the best items for summer outdoor kitchen? Now, let's discuss the essential items for a functional summer outdoor kitchen. The foundation is a high-quality grill, whether gas, charcoal, or pellet, depending on your preference. A built-in refrigerator or beverage center is crucial for keeping drinks and ingredients chilled. A sink with running water is essential for food preparation and cleanup. Ample counter space is necessary for food preparation and serving. Storage solutions, such as cabinets and drawers, are vital for organizing utensils, cookware, and supplies. A side burner or cooktop expands your cooking capabilities. A pizza oven or smoker adds versatility to your culinary repertoire. A built-in ice maker or outdoor bar enhances your entertaining options. A weatherproof television or sound system provides entertainment. Durable and comfortable outdoor furniture is essential for dining and relaxation. Proper lighting ensures safety and ambience. A pergola or awning provides shade and protection from the elements. These items will transform your outdoor space into a fully functional kitchen. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best summer outdoor kitchen ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The rustic stone kitchen. Utilizing natural stone for countertops and walls, paired with wooden cabinetry, creates a warm and inviting rustic feel. 2. The modern stainless steel kitchen. Featuring stainless steel appliances and countertops, with sleek lines and minimalist design, offers a contemporary aesthetic. 3. The coastal-inspired kitchen. Incorporating light colors, nautical accents, and weather-resistant wicker furniture, evokes a relaxed beachside vibe. 4. The Mediterranean patio kitchen. Using terracotta tiles, stucco walls, and vibrant colors, creates a charming Mediterranean atmosphere. 5. The urban rooftop kitchen. Maximizing space with compact appliances and vertical gardens, ideal for city dwellers. 6. The covered pergola kitchen. Providing shade and protection with a pergola, featuring built-in lighting and fans for added comfort. 7. The poolside entertainment kitchen. Integrating a bar area, built-in grill, and comfortable seating, perfect for poolside gatherings. 8. The garden oasis kitchen. Blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, featuring natural materials and lush greenery. 9. The modular outdoor kitchen. Offering flexibility and customization with prefabricated units that can be arranged to suit your space. 10. The fully equipped chef's kitchen. Including a professional-grade grill, pizza oven, smoker, and ample counter space, catering to serious cooks. Creating a summer outdoor kitchen is a significant investment that enhances your lifestyle and property value. By carefully considering the design, materials, and essential items, you can create a functional and inviting space that reflects your personal style and meets your specific needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert advice on home design and decor. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. We are here to assist you in creating the perfect outdoor living space. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.